wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, all the dignities, respected guests, audience, I feel very honored to be here to participate in this great event and program, Eid Milan. Really, this is the great opportunity for me to share my few thoughts, to deliver my specific points in this occasion. We all are here, sitting, hearing, sharing our thoughts. This is actual picture of our beloved country, India. When our brothers from our other religions come in our gathering, they should feel comfortable. When we go to their gatherings, we feel comfortable. This is actually India. And we all know this country, India, we started freeing it from Britishers by unanimous efforts. We all were together, we worked hard to build this country on its actual culture. The influence of outsiders, Britishers, was too much, and we were feeling uncomfortable with them. Why? Because they were working on the point divide and rule. They were dividing us on the name of culture, on the name of religion, on the name of color, on the name of states. But when we started fighting them separately, we never be able to achieve this freedom of this country. But when we stood together, all religions, all communities, all states came under the one umbrella, and we fought strongly, we were able to free this country from bloody hands of Britishers. Now, we have to maintain this status, social harmony, kindness, shareness, helping others, feeling comfortable with each other. This is actually the culture of India. What we know about our beloved country, India, from thousands of years, we know that we were together, we are acceptable, and we are accepting others. We are living together. We are accepting other cultures, other religions. This is beauty of India. And we all know that the beauty in diversity, our beauty in diversity. We have so many religions, cultures, and colors in this country, but we are together to fight our one enemy, outsiders. Now the time to create new environment for this country. You all know that we are feeling proud to be Indians because we love our land, because we love our culture, because we are all together. But the responsibility of all communities, all religions, especially religious personalities, to maintain harmony and to create good environment among every communities. This is the responsibility, because we all know that when we were separated into two countries because of some bad thoughts, it was the bad occasion or bad thing happened for our country. But after that, all Muslims in this country have chosen this country by their choice. They have to go there, but they love this country and stayed here. This is their choice to stay in this country because of love. So we all are here together. We live together. We share our happiness, our celebrations together. This is one example for that. And we want more and more to create good environment in this country now, because divide and rule, this policy is rejected and obviously will be rejected. Now I want to say clearly, openly, if we want to create a good country, healthy country, developing country, but developed country, we have to take all communities together and give the opportunities for all unanimously. This is basic point. Give me one example from all over the world. Any country can be improved economically, socially, after pulling one community down without taking all communities together. Is this possible? Especially if one community has large number. It is not possible, never possible, to create a country healthy, good, powerful, but superpower without taking all communities together. All other countries, those are developed countries, they are saying to other developing countries what they are not doing. They are doing for themselves, their criteria is different from developing countries, but they want to divide and rule. That's why they are working on this project, and sometime we will be targeted for that. We have to do good efforts, put good efforts to create good environment for this country. This is our responsibility. And I say, if we have, as a Muslim community, this responsibility, our brothers have this responsibility more and more, because they are in large number, because they are in good number, because they are elder brothers, we are younger brothers. So the responsibility of elder brothers is more than the younger brothers. They have to create this environment. They have to took their younger brothers with them. Then they can create and build a good and healthy country. Without that, not possible to do. And I say clearly, if you want to divide between communities, if you want to create violence between communities, the loss will come to the country, not to the community. Obviously, the loss will come and return back to country, not the community, because country is nothing other than communities, other than people, other than population, nation. We have to stand strongly for the nation, and we see all Indians in one eye, with one eye, and we take all communities together to create good and healthy environment in this country. And the last thing I want to share here, we all are facing so many challenges nowadays. And I say clearly, I'm not talking about the politics and this and that. We are not politicians, and we don't know too much about satanic, things about these fields. I am talking about social values. I am talking about communal harmony. We all, in all communities, know and see lacking of values. In our community, and I am the orator, Khatib in Masjid, and always I address our people to develop their social values. This is our first priority as a community. We have to be strong in values, in moral. Morality is very down now. We are all facing very crisis. If I say the biggest crisis in the world now, and especially in our country, is the moral crisis. Economical crisis and other crises will come and go. Moral crisis is more dangerous. And we are facing this crisis in this country. We have to build good bridge and healthy bridge between communities and take the good example from our forefathers to take good and healthy country and empowered, developed country. This is our common responsibility. We have to do this. Otherwise, our generation, coming generation, will not forgive us. Because whatever we are doing now, our generation, coming generation will face the result of that. Sometime we will go, but our generation will see the things what we have done in this time. So, if we do not believe, if we do not think, if we do not have the accountability in front of the God, at least we should feel accountability in front of our new generation, coming generation. What their responsibilities, what our responsibilities towards them, what they will take the results of our actions today. We have to think for that, because whatever we are doing, tomorrow we will take the result of that. Even our generation will see the result. So this is our common responsibility, common message, and we all have to stand together and make the good moral environment in this country. Every religion, without seeing any religion, without seeing any culture, without seeing anyone, any Indian comes in front of me, brotherhood, the relationship of brotherhood should be very strong among all communities, and we treat others on the basis of the mankind and of the brotherhood of mankind. This is our actual relationship. We have to work on that, and if we are successful in this point, we can create and build a healthy and good country in future. Otherwise, we will lose this bird of gold, our golden bird, as we have stolen so many things from here by Britishers. Now, if we are not strong and we do not strengthen our ties and bonds between communities, among communities, we will face losses in future. I hope, inshallah, in this occasion we will take this message to stand together, to share our feelings with others, to make good and healthy environment, and to create moral values in all communities, and work on the basis of mankind, as our Lord and God says in Quran, يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم. We created you, O mankind, from one man and one woman. You all are brothers. Any religion, anyone, all are together came from one man and one woman. That's why our beloved Prophet Rasulullah said, "Kullukum banu Adam." You all are the sons of one man, Adam. No any superiority for one person upon other, except who is more good and beneficial for the mankind. That's why Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in one hadith, see, this is our beloved Rasulullah Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's actual message. The nearest one to the God is he who is more beneficial to the mankind. Who is more beneficial to all mankind is more near to the God. And in one hadith, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, all the mankind from every religion, every culture, every color are the family of God. Are the family of God. Who serves more this family become beloved to the God more. This is our actual message, and we have to work on that, and we take our communities to improve their moral responsibilities and social values. I hope, inshallah, we will take the good result in future. After that, I conclude my talk thanking all the members and trustees of Ular Educational and Charitable Trust to invite me here and to give me this great opportunity to share my few thoughts. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.